But I'll give you two examples, ma'am. Bakit po si General Torre, kung ano-ano sinasabi sa kung ano-anong interview, hindi naman napapagalitan? So ang dating po sa lower rank, bawal partisan kung kalaban. Kung kakampi yung sinabi mo, pwede. I'll go to a non-partisan issue. And I respect this person very much. I think he's one of the best chief of staff, personal friend, etc. Kaya lang, as a former secretary of the DFA, I have to mention this, no? When the AFP chief of staff said, prepare kasi madadamay tayo kapag ka-invade yung Taiwan, tayo po ay may one China policy. Ano po ang magiging reaction natin nung sa Marawi siege kung sinabi ng China, prepare kasi pag sinugod nila yung Marawi kapag ah, nilabanan nila yung secession sa Mindanao, mai-involve tayo. Magre-react din yung foreign affairs natin, hindi ba? Kasi nga may one China policy tayo. Don't get me wrong, ha. Ayaw natin ng gulo sa Taiwan. Nakikisimpet tayo sa democracy ng Taiwan. We want them to coexist with mainland China.